channel, and I have a special guest with me.
Congress and 85% of drugs intercepted from Canada.
Her name is Sydney, and if you do not follow her channel, please go subscribe to it. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification button beside the subscribe button.
On the bottom of us.
And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. I would like to get this to 1 million likes. So what we will be, and please comment. And what we will be doing today is we will be
Playing with
slime.
Anyways, let's get the slime out.
She wants to do satisfying stuff first. So this is the slime.
We're gonna just back
Like a blue kind of, yeah, we're gonna like back the camera up.
Anyways, gonna put that right there. Okay. This is the slime.
So,
Kind of sticky.
Sometimes you have to unfollow your old
I
dreams
had,
Oh no. Let me tell you.
to chase new ones.
wait, did you get water for me?
This is for the drivers. The ones who do more than defy rules, they change them.
It's kind of glittery.
This is for the unfollowers.
Anyways, what you could do satisfy with this
BMW X2 X-Drive 28i for $399 per month.
I'm about to make a double.
Blue Moon is a Belgian-style wheat beer brewed with Valencia orange
If you
peel
like
for
my
a
double, I would
flavorful,
like to get
refreshing
this.
taste that rises above.
Sorry.
Back
Give
here
me, give
in the
me.
Bronx,
Give me.
Yankee Stadium.
Anyways,
Take a look at
subscribe to Funny.
Powerful stuff, and it's brought to you by Constant Contact.
She has a bunch of
This is
subscribers.
powerful.
Please subscribe to Funny.
It's funny. You'll love
Really
it.
something he's been doing his entire career.
And I subscribe
We heard about him the last couple of years. The only question was defensively, was he ready for the big leagues? Injury to Brandon Drury created an opportunity for somebody to come up and play.
I just can't download
He's taking advantage of it.
Download. Okay, we're gonna end this.
No, I want to keep it.
We're gonna end this, and
No, we're going to keep this.
He's mad.
we have to end this because I have something I usually download that's not musical. No.
We had a great conversation with him and Glaber as they came off the field. They were both out here early taking ground balls.
Anyways,
at third
we're gonna
and
end
second.
this.
I mean, it was
Wait,
like game like. The way they were going about it, they were playing deep. They were into the
Guys,
field, all the
get
different
this
areas.
video
They were
to
gonna
at
cover.
least
As
300
they came off,
subscribers
we
and go
grabbed
to
them.
her
We were talking
channel.
like, you know, you guys
deal.
beat the minors.
Big deal.
Glaber
I
got
only
traded
have
over
these
here.
subscribers, so
They
make me
remind us of the story. They
popular,
met the
please.
Arizona Instructional League.
Please.
And they played on the same team, and they were actually
And
roommates.
sorry for the background noise. That is my mom.
And other people you should
Flavor to
know.
come up and know somebody that he's
Anyways,
And sorry for the horrible
young
background.
guy,
I
has
know.
somebody to hang out
I
with
know.
on the
We're
road.
at my grandma's
You're
house.
talking
Where's
when
the
you
camera?
first get called up.
anyways,
you
we're
know,
gonna
so
say
you
bye
get
to you
your
guys.
hotel
Bye.
Probably
Remember
try
to
to go to dinner.
subscribe and leave a
Go
like.
park together.
Anyways,
Rent
bye
a train,
guys.
whatever,
Bye.
shared cab. You got somebody
Bye.
kind of